All right, so it is day 5 and headed off to the gym, 5:30 a.m. Here we go.
Hair looks okay.
Your hair looks fine. You know this is live and recording.
Oh!
Oh yeah, it's going on, all of it's going
What's
in.
up? Matt is a rock star today, training for the bone frog.
Right there, that's the camera.
Oh.
I do that all the time. I'm
You're
always
gonna
like
edit that out,
looking
right?
here, you know, so.
Oh yeah. There you go. Keep it up. You got it. You got it. Almost there. Don't let it dip bar.
That could have done some damage.
Here we go. Matt's training for the bone frog. He's got it. He's a rock star. Nothing's gonna hold him down. Navy SEAL in the making right here.
I'll be in big Navy SEAL. See, I look that way. That's my heart rate, 143.
That's his heart rate.
Down from 177.
He's working.
All right, so it's still day 5 here, and one of the things I thought I would do is show you the book that I'm reading. It's called Transformation by Bill Phillips. So I've been following Bill Phillips since all the way back into the late 90s when he did Body for Life, and it's got a pretty interesting story. This is an 18-week program that kind of dives into transforming mindset, you know, body, soul, all that stuff. So it really kind of goes along with the 75 hard. So I'm pretty interested in completing this and doing some of these exercises, which I will share with you. Okay, so one of the questions that I got was from Kirsten. Thank you for the question, by the way. Was what is one of the hardest things up to this point, which is really 4 or 5 days in? And I thought it was a great question. Made me kind of think about what was it that was kind of the hardest thing for me. And I have to say one of the hardest things for me has been getting the reading in. I've actually enjoyed reading the book, but I've been so busy with all these other things, and getting to the book has been challenging. Getting those, when I'm ready for bed, it's like 12 o'clock and I gotta read 10 pages. So she had a great suggestion, which was to switch it up to reading in the morning after I get back from the workout, and I tried that today and it was awesome. So thank you for that. I appreciate it. So still day 5. I've switched my walk to adding a run. I mean, that's just how much better I feel already. I feel like I can run, my energy's so much better, and anyway, just wanted to share that. All right, just got done. Let's see, 46 minutes, 3.28 miles. So normally I get just over 2 miles, so I added about an extra mile and a fifth. So 74 degrees, beautiful out here. Get outside. Well, tonight was my first test, first real test anyway. We went out and I continued my diet, no alcohol, anything. So day 5 is in the books. See you tomorrow.